Hello everyone. It's really my pleasure to be with you today for the third edition of PreConnect by Pet Fair Southeast Asia. My name is Tanida Onnom, Key Account Manager from PreConnect Systems and Automation. Our company is one of the world's leading manufacturers and suppliers for industrial bag packaging solutions. We provide bagging for any type of bags heavier than 5 kg. Our product portfolio includes automatic bagging machine for open mouth and valve bag, bulk bag fillers, compression baggers, and foam fill and seal bagging machine, which enable to handle powders, granules, flakes, and large particles. In addition to bagging solution, we also manufacture automatic palletizers and load security systems. And today I'm going to share with you about our packaging innovation for pet food. I think we all know that our little friends like dogs, cats, fish, mammals are very nice and friendly to humans like us. During the pandemic, there is a big trend worldwide for the pet adoption. The increase of the pet ownership has been growing big time. There is also a trend of the pet humanization that the pet owners considering these little creatures as their family members. Looking into this statistic, it shows you the numbers of the pet population worldwide have increased interestingly. You can see that the dog's population grew from 5.1 million in 1970 to 9 million in 2020. The cat's population sharing the same trend. The growth from 4.6 million in 1970 to 7.5 million cats in 2020. Apart from the pet population, there also the increase in the pet food market size. From this statistic, it has been projected the growth from 4.4 billion US dollars in 2019, growing to 6.2 billion US dollars by 2026. The increase is also supported by the rising income of the pet owners. It increased an awareness for them to choose the healthy and premium food for their pets. They are looking for the packaging solutions that will not just only protect the food for the nutrition for their pets, but also have the same standards as a human food packaging technology. With all of this, it has already accelerated the development for the advanced processing equipment in the pet food industry. We all see the trends, we all see the growth. However, there are always the challenges in the pet food manufacturing. The first is foreign objects. The pet food production process involves a lot of different touch points during the manufacturing. Different meats are cut. Pieces of bone can sometimes mixed to the final product, and this is not accepted by the pet owners. The second point is the pathogens. Since the various recipes are moved around the conveyor belts and through machines at varying temperatures, the potential of pathogens and other bacteria is high, and this is very extremely dangerous to the common pets. And the last one is the food recalls. With all those two issues combined together, it can lead to a complete food recalls on the entire recipes or product categories. As I mentioned about the growth, the pet food industry has evolved over the years and try to now operate under the standards very similar to the human food products. This is one of the examples of the dry pet food manufacturing process. It's showing you the challenges I mentioned earlier, from the raw material receiving process, go along until the small kibbles getting into the package. You are exposed to the challenges as mentioned. Fortunately, with the packaging innovation nowadays, we found that the automatic bagging machine and robotic palletizers can be extremely efficient to solve all of these problems. The automatic bagging machines are equipped with the filters that can ensure that the final product will be packed into the bags and nothing else. And most of the equipment also happen to be very easy to clean, especially if it's made out of stainless steels. Another thing that in the robotic palletizer, when we use it in our production process, it is much faster. And we can also reduce the potentials or the chances to have the contact to the pathogens. The automatic bagging machine and also the transport have another advantage, which is the traceability. In the event of the food recalls or any issues, you will know exactly which machine it came from, making the recall or the fix a much simpler operation. I will show you how the automatic bagging machine can deliver the products into the bag properly and safely. You can see that for the high-speed bagging machine, it will not just only increase your production capacity, but it ensures that the product also being safely packed into the bag. This is another model of the automatic bagging machine. You will see in the video that we combine the robotic arms into this bagging system, which enhances your production within a limited footprint. In the video, you will see that the robotic arms is working to handle different type of bags with the speed, and the footprint is really small. You can see how accurate the arms receive the bag and deliver or transfer the bag into the next station. Apart from the automatic bagging machine, we can also automate by using the palletizer. The palletizers can be conventional type, robotic type, or hybrid, or even using the depalletization to get the bag out of the pallet. Using the robotic palletizers, it can help you to reach the speed with a safe environment. I will let you hear from one of our clients who's talking about how our robotic palletizers can reach the speed with the safety.